Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to enable call recording in Galaxy A15 5G. So just for this guys, firstly you have to go to dialer and tap here and then tap to settings. So generally we have a call recording option here, but maybe you don't have this feature in your mobile phone like me. So don't worry, we are using a third-party application to record the calls. Just go to the Play Store and search for call recording here. Okay, so this one is the application by the way. Install this application call recorder automatic and then click to open. Continue to app, accept, allow the permissions and set to call recorder. Okay guys, so guys, when you have an incoming call, all your recording of the incoming call will be saved here and you can listen up from here. And if you have any outgoing call, so the recording of the outgoing call will be saved here and you can listen from here. So this is the best application for all, and I suggest you call recorder automatic application for recording the call in Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.